What if I told you that an AI coding assistant could completely replace 3 tools you're paying for right now? Most developers think AI is just a fancy autocomplete. They are missing the bigger picture. I've spent the last year integrating these tools into professional, production-grade environments. I didn't just play with them. I used them to handle legacy migrations and scale APIs. The result, I've reclaimed 10 hours of my life every single week. That's over 500 hours, a year of manual grunt work gone. In this video, I'm giving you the blueprint. I'm breaking down 10 specific strategies to overhaul your development process using assistants like Tabnine and Kite AI. We aren't talking about basic snippets. We're talking about automated documentation, instant refactoring, and killing the boilerplate phase of every project. By the end of this, you'll have a high-performance workflow that makes you faster, sharper, and significantly more valuable to your team. Let's get into it. Now, you might be wondering which tools actually deliver these results. For me, it's a combination of Kite and Tabnine. Kite handles the deep architectural suggestions, while Tabnine nails the real-time, context-aware completion. Since integrating these into my daily flow, my boilerplate fatigue is completely gone. I've cut my debugging time by roughly 40% and stopped wasting hours on Stack Overflow for simple syntax errors. That is exactly how I clawed back 10 hours every single week. If you want to stop grinding and start shipping faster, I've put the links to both Kite and Tabnine in the description below. Grab them now and start automating the boring stuff. But before you go, if you want to see how to optimize your entire tech career, hit that subscribe button.